Hey there, aspiring trainers! Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 11th episode, we're diving into the exciting world of interactive activities that will make your workshops engaging and unforgettable. Get ready to take your training sessions to the next level. As trainers, it's crucial to create an interactive and engaging environment that fosters active participation and deepens the learning experience for your participants. Here are some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey towards becoming a successful trainer. 1. Icebreaker activities. Start your workshop with icebreaker activities to create a comfortable and inclusive atmosphere. These activities can include introductions, team-building exercises, or fun games that encourage participants to interact and get to know each other. 2. Group discussions. Incorporate group discussions into your workshop to encourage participants to share their thoughts, ideas, and experiences. Divide participants into smaller groups and assign them specific topics or questions related to the workshop content. This not only promotes active engagement but also provides an opportunity for collaborative learning. 3. Case studies. Use real-life case studies or scenarios relevant to your workshop topic. Encourage participants to analyze and discuss these cases, applying the knowledge they have gained. This hands-on approach deepens their understanding and helps them connect theory to practical situations. 4. Role-playing activities. Engage participants by incorporating role-playing activities into your workshop. Assign different roles or characters to participants and have them act out scenarios that relate to the workshop content. This interactive approach enhances experiential learning and allows participants to apply their skills in a simulated environment. 5. Interactive presentations. Instead of delivering a traditional lecture-style presentation, make your presentations interactive. Use multimedia elements such as videos, interactive quizzes, or polls to actively involve participants throughout the session. This keeps their attention and encourages them to participate in real time. 6. Hands-on exercises. Include hands-on exercises that allow participants to put theory into practice. These can be practical tasks, simulations, or problem-solving activities. By actively engaging their minds and bodies, participants gain a deeper understanding of the workshop content and its practical application. 7. Gamification elements. Gamify your workshop by incorporating elements of game design. This can include points, rewards, challenges, or even a leaderboard. Gamification adds an element of fun and competition, motivating participants to actively engage and strive for success. 8. Interactive technology tools. Leverage interactive technology tools such as polling software, virtual whiteboards, or online collaboration platforms. These tools allow participants to actively contribute, share ideas, and collaborate in real time. They enhance the interactivity and engagement of your workshop, especially in virtual or hybrid settings. 9. Feedback and reflection. Throughout the workshop, encourage participants to provide feedback and reflect on their learning experience. This can be done through surveys, group discussions, or individual reflections. Their input not only helps improve future workshops but also reinforces the interactive nature of the session. Remember, incorporating interactive activities into your workshops is key to creating an engaging and memorable learning experience. By using icebreakers, group discussions, case studies, role-playing, interactive presentations, hands-on exercises, gamification elements, technology tools, and feedback and reflection, you'll captivate your participants and facilitate their learning journey. Thank you for joining me as we explored a range of interactive activities to make your workshops engaging and unforgettable. Stay tuned for the next episode.